So we want to move each set of numbers to the correct column and explain how you know. So we're trying to decide if it is a Pythagorean triple or if it's not a Pythagorean triple. And the way we're going to know is we're going to test the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. So when we plug them in, let's plug them in least to greatest. So I'm going to do 4 squared plus 5 squared equals 6 squared. And I'm going to test to see if this is true. So I'm going to go ahead and type this side in my calculator, 4 squared plus 5 squared. Four squared plus 5 squared, that's 41. And then the other side was 6 squared, so I'm going to type that in my calculator. That's 36. So if we go back here, we got 41 and 36, and 41 does not equal 36. So this set of numbers is not a Pythagorean triple. So we would move 4, 5, and 6 down here. And then when it says, and explain how you know, we could say because the Pythagorean theorem did not work. I'm going to abbreviate because Pythagorean theorem did not work. 41 does not equal 36. Okay, let's check this one out over here. Let's plug them into the Pythagorean theorem least to greatest. 44 squared plus 117 squared equals 125 squared. I'm going to go ahead and type this side in my calculator. And remember, we talked about this. If you didn't watch one of the last videos, I was letting you know that you could type it all in one step. So let's see, 44 squared, plus 117 squared. That equals 15,625. I'm going to go over here and write that down. And then I'm going to type in 125 squared. And that also equals 15,625. So we know that this one is a Pythagorean triple because the Pythagorean theorem does work. So this one would be over here. Oops, not 444, just 44. And these should be movable pieces on your Nearpod. 117 and 125. And the reason is because the Pythagorean, and I'm just going to abbreviate again, Pythagorean theorem did work. 15625 does equal 15625. Yay! Okay. So when you are testing something to see if it's a Pythagorean triple, you plug it into the Pythagorean theorem and you see if it's equal. If the two sides are equal, then yes, it's a Pythagorean triple. If the sides are not equal, then no, it is not a Pythagorean triple.